Reset the clock. Anil, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I am ready. Hello, everyone. I just want to ask, raise the hand people that attended yesterday in Demo Jam. Do me a big favor. Be curious and excited like you never seen this demo before. It's okay from you? Thank you. Before we continue to talk about automation of pass at the edge, I would like to go to our Ansible Tower. Part of you familiar with Ansible Tower? Yeah, sure, go. We are start our workflow template and to inventory OCP tree, launch it, go to our virtualization manager, and to see in our virtual machines, still not. Okay, let's wait. Started. Okay. Now, we can start to talk. But when I say we, I mean myself and Guy that need to go home before sunset today, and as well our mentor Royal. So, great thank them to be part of this team. I would like to share with you the dream of our customer, but not before I will ask you a question. Please raise a hand, people that at least once already deployed OpenShift 3.11. And if I will ask you to provide it in parallel for 5 or 10 edge locations and do it in disconnected environment, how much time are you estimating it can take? I don't know about months, but at the end of this demo, you will know how much time it took to us. But before it, I will share with you our customer's concern. In one of our discussions, he said me, look, you are excellent guys, you provide me central cloud. Okay, but my dream is now to take this centralized cloud to our edge locations. And we have 50, 60, and we are growing with edge locations. How we can do it? Okay, it can be done, but it's not only. We need to do it on VMware hypervisor. Sounds good? Yeah, RHV is better. And for this demo, we did it on RHEL. Yeah, because we are Red Hat. And we need to have centralized lifecycle management. I mean, I want to be able to provide containerized application from central cloud to go directly until each and every edge, depending on its needs. Okay, so what we need to do now? And we cannot guarantee connectivity, and it should be in disconnected environment. And in addition to all of this, we need it to be HA, reliable, secure, autonomous, healing, so no human errors. Just imagine this is a guy. We look one of another. What? Yeah, I know that our middle name is Magic, but still. Okay, since we remember always that Werner, Hans, and James say us, we are open unlocks the world's potential. So we sit and thought, how we can open theirs unlocks. And we started, we thought about our technologies, Red Hat virtualization or VMware as an infrastructure as a service. Cluster storage as persistent volume. Ansible as a central engine of this automation process. Ansible towers that you see before as the orchestration of each of these workflows. And one of additional part of my customer's dream was, I would like to see all of edge stage in one central place. So do me a favor and bring me all information to Grafana, to central Grafana, okay? So we need to use Grafana as well, and we want reusability. We want modularity. That's why we did it by Ansible playbooks and store him in the Git. This is customers and vision of end-to-end solution. So as I mentioned, they have central location, central cloud, and many of cloudlets. This is the name of our project, cloudlets. This is the business values that we achieved by providing the solution to our customer. Automation, no human error, no money lost. Security, no unauthorized use. We have used with RBAC in the Ansible tower and in OpenShift definitely. Self-evaluation, no drift, centralized control, and decentralized run. Guy, can you please explain the demo? Yes, sure. Okay, so what we have here, system topology. Like I already explained, Git is our Git repo. Ansible Red Hat Tower is our orchestrator of automation. We have disconnected environment as you remember. And we can go just to see that we have here. This is our Docker images, for example. Just to see that we have here, we did some preliminary work. We provide different stuff. Or, for example, we can see our DNS zone. So, after preparing all of this stuff for each and every environment, it can be in the same data center for non-prod and prod environment, or it can be in different data center as prod 2 environment. And, as you remember, Prometheus should provide the data movage to central Grafana. So, by the way, Grafana. Let's see the real Grafana. OCP1 is the first cluster, the big one. OCP2 is the second cluster, and you can use different modules, so everything is good. Okay. Let's see what's happened with our Ansible tower for now. You remember it, right? We started this workflow in Ansible tower. So what is our workflow doing is provision virtual machines. Now we are doing it in RHEL, but this model can be replaced by usage of different available for every one of you Git repository. As you can see, we have VMware Ansible. This is for provisioning of VMware machines. We have Rev Ansible, GCP Ansible. After that, after we continue with provisioning and succeeded, by the way, you can see on the fly, you can enter in the different part and see the log in the same time that job running. So you are going to the job and you see that now it's in OCP prep test phase. It means after we completed deployment virtual machines and insert SSH key for authorized passwordless, now it provides different kind of installations of different packages, etc., all preparations. After that, it will run prerequisite Ansible playbook, and after that, cluster deployment, and all this can be done in the same time because we have projects, and we have templates, and we have inventories. So, different inventories. For example, for now, we are working with inventories that include only 3 hosts, so-called small flavor. But we can go to the inventory that already was provided that includes 9 hosts, load balancers, and standard cluster with 3 masters and 3 infra, etc. So you can understand that by completing this work with different scenarios and modularization, like you can see here, we received big advantage. If I can ask you to remember one thing from this demo jam, our automation processes and automation products can help our customers to use more actively our other products. Because of usage of Ansible and Ansible Tower, we will be able to provide them usage of OpenShift, and I hope so they will continue with RHEL in the future. And they definitely, their dream came true. Now they have many, many edge locations. Thank you very much.
So I think you'll agree with me. Those are two fantastic use cases and demos, and a lot of work went into them. And I'm particularly pleased to see representation from both our pre-sales and our services up here on the stage today. So, gentlemen, fantastic. Okay, I think we're at that point now. Let's go back. Go on. It is time to vote, and this is live. So, please, gentlemen, ladies, let's have your votes. Prayer is not a strategy. Of course, yes. We should. This is taking a while, isn't it? My goodness, there's probably a lot of people voting out there, or it's the app. Well, in rehearsals, this took just a few seconds. Okay, how are we doing with the voting? Have we got some results in? Let's see if we can have them up on the screen. The suspense is killing us. Oh, my word. Wow. Congratulations to teammate. That is the narrowest of margins. Well done, gentlemen. Well done, Phil. My goodness, well done. Fantastic. That is absolutely awesome. So I think what I would like to do is, at this point, is to invite Hans and Santi up on stage to give these guys a couple of their awards. So, gentlemen, Hans and Santi, welcome on stage. Congratulations. All right. Thank you. Right. Well done, gentlemen. You can pop your awards back on the podium because you think that's it all over now, don't you? Yep. Oh, no, no, no. So I've got a reveal here. I'm really pleased to be able to say the winner, having had a talk with my colleagues in the US, the winning team is going to be competing in a world playoff with North America. And we're going to have ourselves a global champion. Yeah? So, I know all of you will be rooting for our team, right? And there's still more. So, having had a chat, and the BU's helped fund this, and Hans has helped fund this too. He doesn't know that yet, but I'm going to give these guys, the winning team, Team A huge fat check. Here it is. Now, you'll notice there's no amount on there, okay? It's a huge fat check. I haven't actually talked about the value of that check. However, Team B, and, you know, Anul, it's up to you as to whether or not you tell Guy about this, but it is being recorded, so you probably can't get away with not telling him. A big fat check. Gentlemen, congratulations.
Very good.
So if I let you guys go and celebrate, you want to take the long walk for me? The walk of death.
Don't forget.